म्हणजे एवढे लोक तुम्ही पत्रकार एकत्र येऊन आज या क्षेत्रात आलाय म्हणजे फार मोठं सुदिन आहे। खरोखरच सुदिन म्हणजे आज अंगारक संकष्टी आहे। त्यामुळे भगवंताने कदाचित तुम्हा सर्वांचं दर्शन घ्यायचा असा विचार केला असावा असं मी मनात मानतो। कांची कामकोटी शंकराचार्यांच्या आशीर्वाद तसंच अनुग्रहाने हा एक मोठा कार्यक्रम साजरा होत आहे। साधारणतः 6 महिन्यापूर्वी मुख्य कार्यकारी संचालक श्रीमान गोपी भागवतर काशीमध्ये यांच्याकडे आज्ञा केली आहे। त्याप्रमाणे दरवर्षी हा मेळावा प्रत्येक मोठ्या मोठ्या क्षेत्रात साजरा करीत आहे। तसंच यंदा या वर्षाचा हा कार्यक्रम साताऱ्यात साजरा व्हावा म्हणून कांची कामकोटी पीठाधीश्वरांनी आदेश केला। त्या माध्यमातून साधारणतः 6 महिन्यापूर्वीपासून ह्याची तयारी सुरू झालेली आहे। आता पूर्णत्वाकडे वाटचाल करीत आहोत आणि उद्यापासून कार्यक्रम चालू होत आहे। खरोखरच म्हणजे ह्या सगळ्याच्या मूळ कारण म्हणजे 1979 म्हणजे 81 मध्ये 80-81 मध्ये कांचीचे शंकराचार्य म्हणजे पायपायी चालणारी म्हणजे वॉकिंग गॉड असणारी कांचीचे 68वे शंकराचार्य साताऱ्यात आल्यानंतर त्यांचं वास्तव्य 11 महिने झाला इकडे। त्याच्या अगोदर समर्थांच्या अनुग्रहाने तसंच छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या अनुग्रहाने पुनीत झालेल्या ह्या सातारा भूमीवर भर घालण्यासाठी किंवा भर घातले कांची शंकराचार्य चंद्रशेखरेंद्र सरस्वती यांनी 11 महिने वास्तव्य करून अजून त्या पुनीत झालेल्या या भूमीत अतिपवित्र झालेला आहे। त्यातनं या उत्तर चिदंबर नटराज मंदिराच्या मुख्य देवतांच्या सगळ्यांच्या प्राणप्रतिष्ठाची पायभरणी होऊन कुंभाभिषेक झाला। आज तागा कमीत कमी 40 वर्ष होत आहेत। साधारणतः मंदिराच्या धार्मिक विधिविधानामध्ये 12 वर्षात एखादा म्हणजे जीर्णोद्धार करावा असा शास्त्र प्रणीत आहे। त्या व्यतिरिक्त आजपर्यंत हा पहिला एखादा कुंभाभिषेक झालेला आहे। दुसरं करायचं म्हणून आम्ही संकल्पित करत असतानाच मोठं संकट कोसळलं आहे कोरोनासारखं। त्यामुळे तो विषय तसंच राहून गेला। त्या माध्यमातून आता हा एक उपक्रम घेऊन लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवण्याच्या दृष्टीने कांचीचे शंकराचार्य पीठाधीश्वर शंकर विजेंद्र सरस्वती त्यांच्या आशीर्वादाने श्रीमान गोपी भागवतर यांना आदेश दिला की आता यंदाचा मेळावा सातारा येथील उत्तर चिदंबरम नटराज मंदिरात घ्यावा आणि या धार्मिक विधिविधानात प्रचार प्रसार ह्या माध्यमातून सगळं लोकांना एकत्रित करून तसंच ह्या एक मंदिराच्या पुनरुज्जीवनासाठी तसंच जीर्णोद्धारासाठी प्रचार करण्यासाठी करावा अशी त्यांनी आदेश दिला। त्या माध्यमात अथक प्रयत्नाने साधारणतः 1000 ते 1500 लोक जमण्याची शक्यता आहे अशी सगळी तयारी केलेली आहे। तसा ह्यांची जी टीम सगळे अथक म्हणजे भगीरथ प्रयत्न करत आज तागा आजपर्यंत आणलेला आहे। सगळी तयारी झालेली आहे। असंच हा एक मोठं कार्य इथं चालावा म्हणून उद्देशाने प्रयत्न केलेला आहे। भगवत नाम संकीर्तन 21वा मेळावा इथं उद्यापासून चालू होणार आहे। म्हणजे ह्याच्यासाठी भगवन्नामा प्रचार मंडळी म्हणून त्यांनी एक संस्था स्थापित केलेली आहे। त्या माध्यमातून हे सगळं चालू होणार आहे। उत्तर चिदंबर नटराज मंदिराचा सगळं म्हणजे त्यांना सर्व प्रकाराचे आम्ही त्यांना मदत करणार आणि हा प्रचंड एक अभंग नामावळी म्हणायला हरकत नाही, किंवा अभंग मेळा, किंवा आता इतर हे असल्यासारखं मोठे म्हणजे भजन कीर्तनवर असल्यासारखंच हा भजन मोठे मोठे विद्वान मंडळी तमिळनाडूवरनं इथं येऊन हा एक मोठं सुश्राव्य भजनाचा कार्यक्रम होणार आहे. उद्यापासून कार्यक्रमाचा प्रारंभ जिल्हा परिषदचे मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी श्रीमती यशिनी नागराजन यांच्या हस्ते होणार आहे. तसंच कार्यक्रमासाठी जिल्हाधिकारी श्रीमान जितेंद्र उडी साहेब येणार आहेत. तसंच जिल्हा पोलीस अधीक्षक समीर शेख साहेब सुद्धा येतो असं म्हणून सांगितलं. नक्कीच या 5 दिवसात एक दिवस भेटी देतो म्हणून त्यांनी आम्हाला कळवलेलं आहे, येणार आहेत. आणि तुम्ही सर्वांनी येऊन आम्हाला एवढं सगळं मोठं एक हा उपक्रमाचा प्रसार करावा म्हणून मी उत्तर चिदंबर नटराज मंदिर आणखीन हा भगवन नाम प्रचार मंडळीच्या वतीने मी तुम्हा सर्वांना मी प्रार्थना करतो. आणि ह्याच्या पुढे श्रीमान हरिभक्तपरायण गोपी भागवतर ह्यांचा मी तुम्हाला परिचय करून देतो. हे पूर्वी स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडियामध्ये AGM म्हणून निवृत्त होऊन या भक्ती मार्गात हे कोण आता प्रचार करत आहेत. कलिकाळात ह्या नामासाठी भयंकर अति एक प्रचंड महत्त्व आहे. त्या महत्त्वाचा अजून कलिकाळात भर घालून असं प्रत्येक ठिकाणी हे करीत आहेत. त्यांच्या पुढच्या या कार्यक्रमासाठी आम्ही शुभेच्छा देऊन हा कार्यक्रम काय म्हणून ते आम्हाला ह्याचं मार्गदर्शन करतील.
नमस्कार. I am not conversant in Marathi. I think I may speak in English with your permission. So this is the 21st year. 20 years we have done in Puri, Udupi, Bhadrachal, Guruvayur, Rameswaram, Rishikesh, Ayodhya, Pandaripuram, Aisa. The main objective is this trust is taking care of elderly people. Our only motive is take care of parents. Who take care of parents, Bhagavan comes down. That's what Lord Panduranga has said. To take care of your parents, I'll be with you. So we want to promote that particular motive in our life. It doesn't need any religion or something. Take care of parents, all people should take care of their parents. It's not particular to any particular religion at all. So in general, old people doesn't have any way to go to any places because they are by virtue of age, by virtue of language, and by virtue of food and all. They could not afford to go anywhere, though they have sufficient money. Their sons are in abroad and all. But they find it very difficult to move out. Either out of poor people also. So for 20 years we have been taking around 2,000 people to various places in India once in a year. We do some food, it's not tour and all, because we charge them only for the train fare, food and all we provide them. And we stay there for 5 days. And you can listen to some good. Tomorrow we are starting on Rudra Homa for Lokashemam. 5 days, some 50 priests from Tamil Nadu, they are coming tonight. They will be performing Rudra Japam and Rudra Homa for Lord Nataraja. There will be a Maharudra Abhishekam also. So this is all for world peace and world this thing. So these things they can sit here comfortably, eat our own food, they can stay comfortably. We are taking care of their stay. In fact, we have gone today to Pune to bring them by buses and all. We took even lunch to them there and provided lunch. Second thing, local people should be benefited at any cost. So all the 5 days we provide Annadhan to local people. Whenever they come, however, it doesn't mean 1,000 or 2,000. 24 hours our kitchen will be open. And this Mr. Our close friend Ambas Shankar is taking care of kitchen. He is a very big industrialist. So even 5,000 people coming. Last year we had it in Martha and one particular day we had 8,000 people. It's all served food only, no giving in hand and all. We serve them whatever food we eat inside. That is being same served in the outside. So local people should be benefited. Number 3, we want to give poor some dhotis or saris to the deserving people in those areas. Because having come all the way from here, if I eat and go, if I sing and go, it's meaningless. And number 4, some local poor people who want to come up in education, who want financial needs. And when we went to Pandaripuram, we saw one young lad doing Panduranga idols. for 50 rupees. And he was selling it, one day he can do only 10 or 20. He's taking care of his parents. I said, what's the profit per day? He said 100 rupees. If I sell all the 10, I'll get 100 rupees. From 100 rupees, how can a person eat and take care of parents? Then we immediately bought 1,000 from him and we distributed free so that he is happy at least for a month. I cannot do for the whole year. On that day, we purchased all 1,000, whatever he has and all. So we gave him 10,000 rupees. And one more boy was doing the same thing. We gave them financial assistance of 50,000 to start a business. So it is social, it's economical and religious and taking care of parents. It's not just true, it's not religion, it's something more than all these things. In one particular place, we make happy everybody, our own people. This year, Shankaracharya, when I met him, next year where are you going to do, he asked me. I said, Swamiji, tell me where I should do. He told me, why can't you go to Satara? To be very honest, on that day, I don't know what is Satara. We thought Satara is a small village. That's what we know on that day. Then immediately I came to Satara. I was just astonished on seeing the temple, on seeing the local people, and on seeing the places available and all. So immediately it's 500 people said, we want to meet Satara. So again it's a tourism. 600 people coming Satara. We have booked around 7 lodges in total. Not 1 or 2 rooms. 7 lodges, 120 rooms in 12 lodges under my custody as on day. 7 or 8 lodges. Because my own people should stay there for all the 8 days. So we are already there are 500 people here. Another 500 will be coming. So don't make it a religious. That's what we have been taught. Religion is there for all people. But religion says only do these things. Whatever be the religion, take care of poor, take care of parents, do something to society in the name of God. Don't do it as if you do something. And whatever is spent here is only given by your own people. Somebody gives from abroad, somebody gives something, and people come over here, they give us. It's not my money, it's Bhagavan's money. So, Shankaracharya showed me Satara, Lord Nataraja showed me but Swamiji. The moment I stepped in, I thought my tension is 90% relieved. That is how it was hospitalities. The managing trustees and other people, they said, we will be cooperating to the maximum extent and all. And this sort of decoration, all these things, only Bhagavan. So I request all these people to come and attend first. Publicity is something different. This only, people should know them and come here. Because I will be spending around 4 months of lakhs here. The local people are not benefited. It's absolutely waste. So there's one way to propagate this is only through channels and YouTube. So that people can come. Songs will be in all languages. Maximum will be Marathi albums, local language. So we know Marathi albums and all. Our own idea is Panduranga only. Till Cape Town tomorrow. So Panduranga is our primary deity because it came for parenting care. So Panduranga we took as our idea. Abang Bhajan will be there. Bhajans on Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, all these things will be there. On Sunday there will be a marriage of Lord Radha and Krishna. There will be the valedictory function. Friday Maharudram competition. So I want all your support for proper propaganda, but you bring your family first. Unless until you come here, you cannot say anything in writing to other people and all. You should enjoy one day. You should be here for us and you should support us. Thank you all for the valuable time you have spent with me. Thanks Mr. Bhaji. Thanks Swamiji. Thanks Bhagavan Nataraja. Thank you all.